In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Next.js apps on Netlify. To get started, make sure your project is actually ready to be deployed. Before you open Netlify, check your project scripts and confirm that your app can build correctly. This is important because Netlify relies on your build setup to generate the production version of your Next.js application. If your build command is missing or your project doesn't compile locally, deployment will likely fail. So take a moment to verify everything is working as expected. Once that's done, commit your latest code changes and push your project to a remote Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Netlify connects directly to your repository, so your most up-to-date code needs to be available online before you import the project. This also helps ensure that future updates can be deployed automatically whenever you push changes. Next, log into your Netlify dashboard after you're signed in. Click the Add New Project button. From the drop-down menu, choose the option to import an existing project. This tells Netlify that you already have an application in a Git repository and want to connect it for deployment. From here, select the Git provider where your Next.js app is hosted and authorize Netlify to access your account if prompted. This connection allows Netlify to browse your repositories and set up continuous deployment for your project. After that, choose your specific Next.js repository from the list. Now you'll move into the build configuration stage. This is where Netlify prepares the app using your repository settings. Review the build settings carefully and make sure they match your project setup. Since this is a Next.js app, it's especially helpful to confirm that the configuration reflects how your app should be built in production. Before you launch the build, click Add Environment Variables. This is an essential step if your application depends on secret keys, API URLs, database configuration, or any other runtime values. Enter each required key and value pair carefully. Be sure to use the correct names and values expected by your application, because even a small typo can cause your deployed app to break or behave unexpectedly. When everything looks good, go ahead and deploy the site. Netlify will begin the build process, pull your repository, install dependencies, and generate your production deployment. Once the build finishes successfully, your Next.js app will be live on Netlify. That's it. Your application is now deployed, and because it's connected to your Git provider, future pushes can help streamline updates and keep your site in sync with your latest code.